Welcome to my channel Hamza 19 TV.
Narrated Omar bin Al-Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu. I heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, the reward of deeds depending upon the intentions, and every person will get the reward according to what he has intended. So, whoever immigrated for worldly benefits or for a woman to marry, his immigration was for what he immigrated for.
Thanks for watching.